The following message is transmitted by order of the Pennsylvania State Police. Residents in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, lock all of your doors immediately. An extremely dangerous individual has been seen roaming the city of Philadelphia, killing everyone he sees in his path, abducting young children, and breaking into homes. All residents in the city of Philadelphia are advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. If you see this individual, call 911 immediately. If this individual breaks into your home, use armed protection at all costs. Do not approach this individual, as he is considered extremely armed and dangerous. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.